and take you to my going up. We want to show you our kitchen. This is completely remodeled kitchen. At the entrance here, we have the closets, so you can put your coat and your shoes in there, concealed it, and also a glass door that you can hide away your shoes and alike. Here, there's a new element here. I mean, there's a different type of track light. This is surface mount, but also adjustable and track lights here. But what I really want to show in this kitchen is the new countertop material and the backsplash material that we have used in this particular unit. This is what we call a Cinderstone type of countertop material. This is a man-made material that has the best of both worlds in between the quartz, and also give you in terms of durability and maintenance easiness, but also it gives us the pattern that's more close to the granite natural pattern, natural color that you can see. In addition to it, we have a lot of built-in material, cooktop, built-in microwave, stove, and let's see, there are a lot of accessory for conveniency, pull-out drawers, and also like a very special corner unit for storage, so you will be able to access every inches inside to its full potential.